Hey guys, I'm Teddy from NorthFire. Today we're cooking on the Inferno Infrared Grill, making Cajun Garlic Shrimp. For today's recipe, you'll need garlic, butter, uncooked and peeled shrimp, Cajun seasoning, and salt and pepper. Place skewered shrimp onto the grill plate and slide into the second rack of the Inferno. After about 30 seconds, pull out the grill and flip the shrimp. Slide back in and cook for an additional 30 to 40 seconds. Then remove the skewers and set aside. Using the drip tray, add 2 tablespoons of butter and slide into the fourth rack of the Inferno. When the butter is melted, add a rounded tablespoon of minced garlic. Place back into the fourth rack and cook for about 20 seconds. Remove the tray and add a good pinch of salt and pepper and a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Give it a good stir and slide back into the fourth rack for another 20 seconds. Drizzle your shrimp with the garlic butter sauce and hit it with a few good squeezes of fresh lemon juice. It's as easy as that. Please follow our channel at NorthFire Ltd for more recipes, and check out northfire.com to learn more about the Inferno Infrared Grill.